Hi, Group C. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Mrs. Slagle, and it's time for SIPs, and we are in Lesson 14, and we are doing Part 1 of Lesson 14 right now. Let's start with a listening game. We're going to be listening for the middle sound. Say mine, sound mine. Middle sound, check, I. Say inch, sound inch. Middle sound, check, n. Say shock, sound shock. Middle sound, check, ah. Say teeth, sound teeth. Middle sound, check, e. Last one, say which, sound which. Middle sound, check, e. Okay, great job listening for the middle sound. All right, I'll tell you the name of a sound and you tell me the sound. For example, I'll say long E and you say E. So if I say long, that means you're going to say the vowel name. If I say short, you're going to say the short vowel sound, the little sound. All right, here we go. Long O. Check O. Short I. Check I. Short U. Check A. Short A. Check A. Long E. Check E. How did you do? Did you get all those right? All right, so this paper is in your binder. These are the cards and the sounds that were up in our classroom. We have been learning the short vowel sounds, the cat at the chair cards, at the chair, edge of the chair, in the chair, on the chair, and under the chair. Those are our short vowels. And we also have our long vowel sounds. We have A for cake, E for tree, I for kite, O for bone, and U for mule. And these are all the different ways that you can say A, E, I, O, and U. So be sure to practice those. I want you to show you the Y. Notice the Y when it comes at the end of a word. Sometimes it says E and sometimes it says I. How do we know? Well, this line is longer here because we say E if the word has 2 or more syllables. We say I if it's a 1-syllable word, a short little word. All right, let's review all of our sounds. All right, here we go. Sound, sound. These are our final E sounds. The final E makes the vowel say its name. Sound, 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 sound. Okay. Let's use those sounds and practice our decodable words. Okay, here we go. Sound. Read. Check. Classes. Sound. Read. Check. Shade. Sounds. Read. Check. Planes. Sound. Read. Check. Mutt. Sounds. Read. Check. Choking. Sound. Read. Check. Used. Sound. Read. Check. Glass. Sound. Read. Check. Rod. Sound. Read. Check. Tired. Sounds. Read. Check. Mute. Sounds. Read. Check. Waiting. Sounds. Read. Check. Limping. Sounds. Read. Check. Plans. Sounds. Read. Check. Rate. Sounds. Read. Check. Dudes. Sound. Read. Check. Taking. Okay, how did you do? Hopefully you did really well. We have 3 new sight words for lesson 14. Here's our sight words sentences. Here we go. Listen. Will practice after school today. Read. Will practice after school today. This is short for we will. It's a contraction. Sight word is today. Listen. She finished her work quickly. Read. She finished her work quickly. Sight word is work. One more sight word. Listen. The teacher said we did a great job. Read. The teacher said we did a great job. Sight word is great. All right, new sight word. Sight word is work. Read. Spell. Read. New sight word. Today. Read. Spell. Read. New sight word. Ready. Read. Spell. Read. Let's review our words. Ready? Read. 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 How did you do? Let's check. Let's do them super quickly together. Ready, set, go. Work. Today. Ready. Move. People. Read and read. Most. Good. were, won't, don't, watch, full, pool, school, friend, children. Hopefully you did a great job. If any of those words didn't pop into your brain, go back and re-watch that part of the video and practice those sight words some more. Sight words should pop into your brain like popcorn. So when you're reading, you have a mix of sight words and a mix of decodable words. All right, let's read our story. Story 14 is Chapter 2, about the cat. In Chapter 1, the story of Cat, we read about Rick and Jane's pet. In Chapter 2, you'll find out more about how Cat likes to play. Let's point to the title. Ready, read. The Story of Cat, Chapter 2, Cat's Games. Read. Jane and Rick had a cat named Cat. They would take care of Cat. They played with her. Read. Cat liked the ball that Dad gave her. When she poked it with her nose, the bell rang. Read. Rick would take the ball and hide with it. While he was hiding, he would shake the ball. The bell rang. Cat wanted to see where the bell was. She would come and find Rick. Read. Cat liked one thing that dogs like to do. Some dogs like to fetch. Toss a stick into a lake. The dog will get it while you stand on shore. He swims back and drops it by your side. He is hoping you will toss it one more time. Read. Cat did not swim in lakes. Many cats do not like to be in water, but there was one game of fetch that Cat liked. Read. Some milk comes in a plastic jug with a cap on top. Jane was saving those plastic caps. She used them in the game. Read. Jane tossed the milk cap on the rug. Cat fetched it. She dropped it close to Jane. Jane tossed it again. They played the same game many times. Read. When Cat was tired of the game, she just stepped over the cap and walked off. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to practice reading that story 2 more times. You're going to notice your punctuation. You're going to pause when you see a period or a comma. 2 questions for this story. Question 1. How did Rick play a game with Cat? Go ahead and pause the video and underline the information that tells us the answer to that question. Question 2. What was Jane's game? Underline the information that tells us about Jane's game. All right, boys and girls, you did a really great job today. Have a fabulous day. Take care, be kind, and be sweet.